Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Update error 0xc8000247, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first one is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side and then scroll down and click on troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters and then click on run corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter. Okay, the next one is to reset Windows Update components. I have a script for you. All you need to do is copy the script, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on run as administrator and paste it here. It works instantaneously. I'll show you what it does. It will stop all the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will reset the software distribution cat to two folders, basically deleting the cache. It will re-register all the associated DLLs, it will reset WinSock, and finally it will restart the services. So this will basically fix it for sure. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.